Ben, are you ready to try this?
Yes, I am.
Are you ready for Christmas miracles?
But it's Christmas Eve.
Do you believe in Christmas Eve miracles?
Okay.
Even if there is not a Christmas Eve snow, a magic Christmas Eve snow,
Maybe it'll come after I turn the car.
maybe that's it.
Someone is wanting to race you, Ben. Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Alright, let's give it a whirl and see if we have any magic in this car for Christmas. That's a nice sound. Oh no, did we kill the battery? I think we might have killed the battery from having the doors open. Try again. Oh no. Take 32 with the help of another car due to dead battery issues. Alright, give it a try. Come on, you. Keep it going, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going, keep it going. There we go. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Alright, you're good. You got it. That's on the escalator. You did it. That's it, no either, that's all car.
Yeah. Didn't want to run it too long because it doesn't have any cooling.
That's good advice.
Huh?
You don't want to run it too long because no cooling.
Yeah.
So what do you think?
Did you turn it off?
Yeah. I turned it off.
How many times have you done that before? Stop the engine by turning it